Today we're going to make a series of videos that detail how to make a fresh Repetrol install on a new computer or to upgrade an existing Repetrol install. There's an overview. If you go to Hyrel3D.net and go to Step 0 Overview under Software and Firmware, it just basically describes briefly each of the steps that we're going to do and how to check what version you've got. Today we're going to start with this first video, which is the WinRAR install. Basically, you're going to go to rarlabs.com/download.html and you're going to download either the 32 or 64-bit version for your machine. I've already got the 64-bit version downloaded, so I'm going to double click on it, allow it to make changes, and say yes, install. My install is done. That's it for video number 1.